versus Machine $200 challenge. And we are at the Tropicana, and we are going to play Dragon's Riches for nickel denom or dime denom and $5 bets. There's our $200. Let's see if we can have the same kind of luck we had on Dragon's Link a couple days ago. And let's begin. Let's hope this continues. Wish me luck. No, that's not a good start. So we need 3 of those dragon orbs to trigger the free spin bonus, and 6 of the coins for the lightning link bonus. Let's see if something's going to happen today. Come on. Oh, and the dragons are wild, the gold dragons. We got piggies and Buddhas and green dragons, all kinds of stuff. Oh boy, here we go. Come on. Oh, there's some pigs. What do they pay? $1. Oh boy, need better than that. Oh, 3 coins. Oh, there's 1 orb. 2 coins. Come on. Is Buddha going to come through for us? Who's going to come through? Oh my god. Oh, look at that $250 coin over there. Alright, come on. We need a little luck. Come on. 1 orb. Oh my god. There's some birds flying through. Some pigs. And look at the massive grand jackpot. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Come on. Don't take me all the way down already. Come on, we need a little success. 2 more days. Today and tomorrow, and the challenge is over. Oh, this is not going well to start. There's 1 orb. 2 coins. No payback so far. Alright. Not a lot of excitement going on here. We haven't even got our bet back yet. No. Oh my goodness. Already down half our money. Oh, I don't want this to be a short video. But more importantly, I want to win. Oh. Red coin trees. Oh, we got 4. Maybe it's going to start heating up. Better heat up quickly. This is going so fast. Maybe I should have started on a 250 bet. Yeah. Oh my. 3 money trees. 10s. Oh boy, this is really not going well. Come on, 2 hard, 1 more. Oh no! Oh, I think that was our shot. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, 2 orbs again. 3/4 of our money is gone. This is not very exciting. Come on, pick up the pace a little bit. Oh, I'm not feeling it. Come on, give me 4 more coins. Change my mood. Oh no, we got $30 left. What's that pay? 9s, 10s, and money trees. $25. Alright, we needed that badly. There we go. We got 3 green dragons. That paid $1. Oh, big whoop-de-doo. There's 2. 3. Oh, yes! We got it! Alright, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Alright, here's our shot. Remind you of those progressives. Come on now. Come on now. Give me some letters. Oh, here we're back to $5 spins like we were on. Oh, there's 10. Come on, bigger, 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 bigger. Give me some letters. Give me some letters here. All right, that's a $20 bill. 3 spins left. Come on. Ooh, 2 more. 2 more. Oh my goodness. Oh, last spin. Come on, hit. No, that's it. I don't think that got our money back. 35, 40, 50, 55, 65, 85, 110. Oh, real close back to even. Real close. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know if I have a feeling this is going to happen again. But I guess we're down. This is the challenge series. Another tough battleground. Come on. 3 green dragons. Oh yeah, I'd like to get those orbs. Come on. Well, we're close to our starting bet. Come on. Oh, 3 more. Ooh. Come on now. Ooh, green dragons 3 times. Come on, 2 more orbs. Ooh! Alright, am I going to start calling this? Come on. Oh! Don't whittle me down again. Come on. Come on, Dragon's Riches. Give me a big hit here. Come on now. No. 2. Ooh! I saw it on the top of that 5th reel. Dragon Riches. Ooh, a lot of wilds with Buddha and the green dragon. That might pay something. Oh yeah, good music. Like to hear that sound. And fireworks. And I think this is going to pay a little bit. $50. All right. A few more spins. Some ammo. Come on now. Ooh, just give me the 3 orbs now. Give it to me now. Give me those 3 orbs. Oh, here we go, Buddha. 25 line game. Oh, 1 orb. Come on, down to, oh, one more. Oh, yes! Yes, and you too. Here we go. Oh my God. Come on, give me letters. Give me the grant, or give me the major. Let's do it. Oh, man. I'm on a pretty lucky streak right now. Although Huff and Puff wasn't good to me. Oh, you got to land something. Oh, no. Land it here. Oh, no. Oh, no. No more? Oh, my God. Oh, I thought that was going to be something big. Oh, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I get up 250? Or should I go for it? I think I'm going to go for it today. We're up on this challenge. I'm going to go for it today. Whew. Yeah, all right. Come on, give me the orbs. Oh, 2 of them. I just have a feeling it's being pretty active. Come on. 2 orbs again. It's showing 2. I mean, maybe it's going to give me that 3rd. Come on. Come on. 1 orb. Ooh. Gave me 2 lightning links. I don't know what the possibility of a 3rd bonus is, but we're going to find out, I guess. 2. Oh, 2 orbs again. Come on, golden orb. 1, 2. Give it. Oh! Come on. Cough it up. 1. Ooh, got 2 orbs a lot of times. 2. Oh my God. I just can't believe it. Come on. Oh, should I lower or raise the bet? I don't know. I feel like those orbs are going to come on this bet. Stressing. We're hanging in there though. Ooh, there's a $100 coin. 1, 2. Do it! Yes! All right. Thank God. 3 bonuses. Is this going to be the one that pays? Is this going to be the one that pays? Maybe we'll get the bonus in the bonus. I've never seen this. 3 golden orbs. Looks pretty. Promising. Come on. Ooh, what's it doing? Boy, that took a long time to spin. Come on, you gotta give me some money. Oh, oh my God. Green dragons all the way across. 10s all the way across. What's that gonna pay? Oh, that sure looks good. Is it gonna pay a lot? Oh my God. Come on, 75 bucks. I'll take that all day long. Come on, show up, dragons. I love when they expand. Right here in the middle. Nope. 2 more spins. Oh, come on, dragons, dragon. Oh my God, we almost got Buddha. Last spin. Last spin. Alright, we're gonna let this count down. Here it comes. Give me dragons all the way across. And Buddha like that on the left. And I think this thing will explode. Let's do it. 10-cent bet. Come on. Oh, 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 nothing. Alright, 85 bucks. That puts us to 263. I think we're going to play that down to 250. Give it one couple more shots and then we're going to get up a winner. Alright. So, 2 spins. One more spin. Do it, do it, do it. Oh! Alright, everybody. Lightning Link Dragon's Riches. Day 9 of our $200 Challenge Man vs. Machine series. And we are getting up a winner. $53. See you tomorrow. Take care.